Comparative advantage and an opportunity cost, guys. Yesterday we looked at Ricardian model, and we also looked at absolute advantage model by Adam Smith, right? We're going to take this discussion further for Ricardian model and look at it from an opportunity cost point of view. Okay, what are the assumptions of Ricardian law of comparative advantage? Assumptions. Of Ricardian law of comparative advantage. 1, 2 nations and 2 commodities. Guys, this is only for simplification. You can take this further also. Free trade. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you that the reference is Salvatore. Chapter 2. So there is free trade without any government intervention as such. There is perfect mobility. Of labor. Within each nation. But immobility between nations. So within nation 1, labor can move into whichever sector is looking rewarding to him, but it cannot move across the nation. So there are two countries here, for example, England and USA. Then within England, labor can move, whether in wheat sector or in cloth sector, but it cannot move from England to US or from US to UK. No, that's not allowed. There is constant cost of production. There is constant cost of production. Okay. We'll also look at the case for an increasing cost later on. Then you have no transportation costs. No technical change. And the last one is that the labor theory of value. This is most controversial. This is most controversial. Okay. For labor theory of value, comparative advantage in terms of labor theory of value would mean that the value or the price, the value or price of a commodity depends exclusively on the amount of labor which is going into the production of that commodity. So if I'm a laborer and I'm producing, I don't know what, say for example cloth. So the price of cloth would depend upon the amount of labor which has gone into it. You remember the diagram which we made yesterday,